Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 21st, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on gold, I mean, we are definitely still very bearish. We have a nice breaker structure. We have three waves up right here. If this is possibly the big wave four on the higher time frames, keep in mind that it could keep going down like that. So we definitely want to be bearish because on the shorter time frames, it makes you think that it's getting ready to go up. The daily time frame makes me think that we're in the middle of a downtrend for a big old wave three possibly. So we have to be very cautious, always trust what you see on the higher time frames because as we go down to the 1 hour time frame, it really looks like it wants to go up. We got impulsive up, we got a breaker structure, we got very overlapping waves, we got a 78% fib bounce. If it breaks to the upside, then yeah, it probably will go up for like a wave C before it goes down for the continuation of the downtrend. But like I said, we have to be very careful with these types of analysis because the daily makes you think it's going to keep on going down. The daily trend is down. Those higher time frame trends are usually correct. Now, it definitely could go up like this, but because the daily is so strong down and it could even be a wave three on the daily, it could also just be a little bit of a bull trap, make another lower high and just keep on trending down. So definitely be careful with your long bias on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.